Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block friends on Rockstar Games. Go ahead and click your profile in the upper right, then go down to friends, and you'll be able to view your friends list. But if you want to block a friend, you can do it two ways. You can go ahead and block them directly once you have them as friends. So you can view your friends list and you'll be able to block them, right? Another way to block a friend is that once you go ahead and you click your profile in the upper right, you can go ahead and click on friends, then click on find, and you can search for the person. So whether or not you add them or not, if you know their username or you just want to type. So let's say I want to type in John, for example. I type in John, hit search, and I will know the username. So I'm just making up something right here. So just keep that in mind. But in order to block someone, you'll find their username, click the three dots here to the right side, and here you'll find block. You click on block, you can see that it's there, then click on block again. And that's it. It's done. So you block this person. Now, in case you want to find your block list at a later point in time, you can easily do that by click your profile in the upper right, go to accounts, go to settings. And so once you're under this section here, you'll be able to find your block list under privacy. So under privacy, click on my block list and you can see all the people that you block. And that's it. So you can unblock them at a later point in time if you want as well. And that's it, guys.